your weather alert forecast.
All right, plenty to talk about with our weather the rest of today through the start of the weekend for sure. It'll be partly cloudy, hot and humid early this afternoon as highs get in the low to mid 90s. And then we're going to watch the storms start to fire up just outside the area by about 4 o'clock. And then hour by hour we go, these storms will continue to get closer to us into our northwestern viewing counties by 5 o'clock. We're still dry here in the metro. And then look how fast things advance south and east by 6 p.m. And then 7 o'clock, I think the storms will be in here probably between 6 and 7. Notice the definition to this band of rain here. A lot of color. It looks like it's going to line up. So wind would be our primary threat. Some of the heavier cells inside this certainly could have some hail. And look at this. By 8 or 9 o'clock, most of the heaviest stuff pushing south and east of us and out of here after 10, at least in the metro. We'll probably see some showers and storms linger far southeastern parts of the viewing area through midnight. So unfortunately, the timing on that, not great for a lot of the events. We're still on the updated version in the enhanced threat here from most of the viewing area. Again, northwest to southeast initially, wind, and then there's a higher risk of hail in this type of situation as we go through today as well. And again, that timing here in Omaha, the worst of it looks like it'll be moving in from 6 to 7, should start to pull out after 9 and certainly by 10 o'clock to the south and east of us. If there's any bright spot with this, the tornado risk overall looks to be relatively low, only at about 2%. So you can't rule it out, but it is not our primary threat. So storms late, again, highs at about 94. Storms early tonight, some of them expected to be severe. Will be rain-free by tomorrow morning at 70. And then there's about a 40% chance storms develop right on top of us late tomorrow afternoon into early tomorrow evening. I really think if we see the rain, it's going to be in and out of here quick. So bigger threats, places south and east of us, parts of Iowa and Missouri would definitely have greater threats tomorrow evening. We'll be done. And then once the front comes by, temperatures only top out around 80 on Sunday for Father's Day. Looking good there. And then the heat comes back a little bit as we head through the middle part of next week. So obviously with the storms in the forecast and potentially again tomorrow, a reminder you can download Storm Shield to your smartphone. If you get the threats, you'll get notified. We're already planning on having extended weather coverage on this Friday evening. So keep that in mind. Tune us in and we'll give you all the latest details on the